Chris, good morning to you. What is your name, please, sir?
Christopher Gray.
Christopher
I'm here,
Green.
attorney in fact for the special appearance attorney in fact for Gray Christopher.
What is that, Christopher? Good morning to you. Christopher.
Good morning.
Gray or Green?
Gray, Gray.
All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer. Would I be correct in saying that you do not want an attorney?
You would be accurate in that assessment, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Gray. State your name for the record, please.
I'm appearing as Christopher Gray, attorney in fact for Christopher L. Gray under the limited power of attorney. It's a limited appearance made solely to address the jurisdiction and procedural defects of the matter that we have before us. I'm not consenting or to any presumed or implied claims. And what we're looking for is the verified evidence and proper legal process to be adhered to. The notice that we received was insufficient under MCR 1.105J, and it didn't meet the due process standards. The complaint didn't have the essential elements, that the court requires, and it wasn't signed by the prosecutor. So I'm saying that there's no jurisdiction, and I'm asking that the court rule and dismiss it for lack of jurisdiction.
Cited court rule MCR 1. Cite that rule again, please.
MCR court rule MCR 1-208, 1-108. Is that 1-10? MCR 1. Wait, let me have that. MCR 1-105.
MCR, that's construction. These rules are to be construed, administered, and employed by the parties and the court to secure the just, speedy, and economical determination of every action, and to avoid the consequence of error that does not affect the substantial rights of the parties. So I'll deny your motion based on that rule.
Could you explain, Your Honor?
No, I'm not going to explain. I don't answer questions. I ask them. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. If you want to appear before the court on your own behalf, you have to know the rules. And you cited a rule, and I denied your motion on that rule that you cited. Okay.
Well, what I'm asking is your explanation as to why on the record, so that I can address that issue directly, Your Honor.
Well, the explanation, you said that you cited that rule because the court didn't have proper notice, right?
Yes.
All right. So that rule that you read had nothing to do with notice.
But in actuality, it does, Your Honor.
I say that it doesn't. So based on that, I'm denying your motion. What do you want to do with these cases, sir? You want to offer?
I would consider an offer.
Okay, go in the breakout room, Miss Snyder and Mr. Christopher Gray. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel and see if you could resolve the matter. As I'm being told, and I'll let you tell me for the record, that you want a jury trial date. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what happened the last time? So now we're not going to keep doing this. There was a jury trial date on 6/24/2025 set.
I was looking for notice, some type of notice from the court. I didn't receive that.
But you got notice when you left the court room that day, right? When we were on Zoom, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that's not going to happen again. All right.
Understood.
So the jury trial date is going to be August 19th, 2025. Anything further from any other party?
No.
Not for the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very well. All right, Mr. Gray, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck.
Have a great one.
You
Appreciate your latitude, Your Honor.
very well. All right, have a good day.